Hello and welcome to Super Calm Cat. Are you ready for your world to shift? Listen to these affirmations daily. You have done all the work. Now it's time for you to raise your vibration and feel the positive changes in your life. Repeat after me. I am completely ready to enter a new phase in my life. I raise my vibration so I can attract all the positive changes I need and want. I feel so proud of myself. I did all the work. Now it's time for me to have faith and just let go. I let go now. I am destined for greatness. I am physically, emotionally, and mentally ready for my new life to enter. I welcome new energy now. I am investing in myself. I get better every day. I am ready to break old patterns and welcome new positive changes. It's time for me to receive. I always knew I was destined for greatness, and now it's finally time for me to receive the gifts of life. I can feel the changes and I am so grateful. It is done. I let go now. I love my new life. I love the new me. I am breaking free from old habits that used to drain me, and from now on attract only the best things in life. I am becoming the best version of myself. I attract wealth, health and success easy and effortlessly. Anything is possible for me. I am investing in myself. Now it's time for me to receive. I am so happy about all the great changes happening for me. I let go now. I am destined for greatness. I welcome the new energy now. I raise my vibration so I can attract all the positive changes I need and want. I feel so proud of myself. Thank you for listening to this audio. Please subscribe to this channel if you liked it. I love you.